Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to our math class today. Today, we are going to look at addition of fractions. We're going to look at addition of fractions. Now, look at the examples we have here. We are told to add these fractions. First of all, understand that before we add fractions, those fractions must have the same denominators. Before we add two or more fractions, the fractions must have the same denominators. But what happens when the fractions do not have the same denominators? We are going to look at it in these two examples. All right, now follow me. Solution. If you look at the first example here, you discover that the two fractions here have the same denominators. So what do? We simply add the numerators and put it over the common denominator, which is 5. This will give us 2 plus 1 or over 5, and 2 plus 1 will give us 3. 3 over 5. Can you see that? You see how easy it is? Now look at the second example. We have we have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 6. You can see here that the two fractions have different denominators. So what do? Like I said before, we're going to find the LCM of 4 and 6 and use it to add these fractions. Look at this. How do you find LCM? I believe you still remember how we do that. We are looking at the LCM of 4 and 6 using the method of prime factors. We're going to use prime factors to find the LCM of 4 and 6. The first prime factor we're going to use is 2. We're using 2 because 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. We are still going to use 2 because 2 here is divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 3 divided by 2 is it will give us 1 with a remainder. Therefore, we're going to bring it down here. The next prime factor we're going to use is 3. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. What is the LCM here? LCM is going to be 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 12. We're going to use 12 to add these fractions. How do we do that? Draw your division line and put your 12 here. 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 12 divided by 6 will give us 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Can you see that? Right? Now we're going to add the numerators now because they have a common denominator, which is 12. 9 plus 2 will give us 11 over 12. You can see how easy it is to add fractions. If you enjoy this class, please share the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. You can as well follow me for more videos. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye. See you in the next class.